What's up, ladies and gents? So I just finished dropping off a selfie booth. Now the style of selfie booth that I dropped off is the one that has the iPad inside taking photos, 12 megapixel photos. The reason I'm making this video is to let you guys know just where I'm at right now. For example, right now I can grab a bite, I can go to the gym, I can take a walk at the park, or I can go back home and continue working on my business. There's just a lot of flexibility. Now, how much money am I making? Because that's everybody's question, right? So these clients, guys, I give them deals they can't say no to, because if they say no to these deals, they're gonna feel quite foolish. I'm actually at a drive-thru right now. I made up my mind. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna get some ice cream. Haven't had ice cream in a while. I deserve some ice cream. So I'm grabbing some ice cream right now. Anyways, back to the money. So $444 for a drop-off booth, and that includes the props. And I, of course, as you guys seen on some of the videos, now I have a checklist for those props that I drop off, and they'll sign off on it. And now it's like I was saying earlier, I can actually go and do another event and make even more money. But the point here I'm trying to make is, what type of lifestyle do you guys want to live? Because instead of me dropping that off and then going to do a 360 booth event, I'd much rather have my contractor do that. He'll make a cut, I'll make a cut, and it frees me up to do other things with my business that are really going to be the best return on my overall investment. Because I no longer just want to be the technician of my business, guys. I want to be the owner of the business and be the visionary for my business. And I hope that you guys watching this video gets you thinking as far as, how do you plan to strategize? I'm going to ask you a question right now that I hope you guys can be very honest with yourselves in answering. Ask yourself this: if David got you guys an extra 3 events a week, would you guys have the manpower to handle that? If so, how? So hit me up in the comment box below, because I want to talk to you guys about this topic. Peace.